Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So this particular video is regarding the most important question that you all must be facing nowadays, and that is when to expect the upcoming CSIR UGC NET Life Sciences examination. As you all know that we have just completed with our previous examination 10 to 12 days before. Now the next thing is that when to expect the next particular exam. Now, if we look at the notification that we got from the CSIR in the beginning of this year, which was regarding that in this year, 3 times exam would be held. The first exam was held in February, then we had the exam in September, this particular month, and now there are chances what we can expect is the next exam according to the CSIR in December. But looking at the current scenario, looking at the present situation, it is a bit difficult now. It is completely my prediction. It is completely my analysis, depending on which I am saying this. I have not received any. This is not a official notification. This is not any official news. We are just having a discussion regarding the same because I am receiving a lot of comments, a lot of messages regarding the same. Like, ma'am, what should we do now? Like, whether we should start preparing according to the December month or what should we do? So, if we have a logical analysis to this, we cannot expect the exam to be exactly in December itself. Why? Because CSIR's complete cycle of examination takes about 4 to 5 months. So now, because the exam was held in September, this particular month, the CSIR would take at least 1 to 1.5 months for the response sheet and then the final declaration of the exam. And after that, for conducting the next examination, it would also require some more time. So we can expect that December exam, that is the December 2022 examination, could be held in, or there are high chances that it would be in the last month of January or the initial February 2023. So I would suggest you, if you feel like that your exam was not up to the mark and you need to give the exam or you need to have a next attempt for the same, do not wait, do not think about when the dates would come, then only we'll start preparing. No, you have to start preparing now itself. Save your time, make a strategy and start preparing again, because it is very, very important for you to if the exam is in January, then you still have 4 months in your hand and you can prepare and you can qualify this examination with this particular preparation. So do not wait for when the dates would come and then only you will start preparing. I would suggest you start preparing now itself. You will have nothing but at least 4 months in your hand, or more than 4 months, in which you can prepare nicely, in which you can practice at a much better way, in a much efficient manner, so that you can increase your chances of qualifying this examination. If you are planning out to start off your preparation, so Botany Insider have the solution for you. You can download the application from the Play Store and get yourself enrolled in the ongoing course targeting the December examination. There are in total 60 classes in this particular course, in which we are targeting all the most important, most frequently repeated topics of the CSIR for you to give a better foundation, to give you a better insight of this particular examination, along with regular doubt sessions, weekly test, and also the flexibility of the class timing. We have the timing of class from 9 to 10 p.m. So even if you are working, even if you are enrolled anywhere else in your colleges, in your master's degree, you will not find a difficulty in attending the live sessions, because attending live would give you a better experience. It would give you more chances for you to interact with me and solve your doubts then and there. So enroll yourself in the ongoing course so that you can strengthen your preparation with Botany Insider. I hope this particular video was helpful for you. If yes, do let me know in the comment sections below, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and also join me on my application and get all the exciting offers and discounts that are currently running on Botany Insider's application. So thank you for watching this video and good luck.